A database is an organized collection of related data. Computers are used to collect, process, organize, and store data that are generated from diverse sources in our daily activities. In other words, databases are essential backend systems that efficiently store, manage, and retrieve data, ensuring integrity, scalability, and performance for applications of all types and sizes. As a result, different kinds of database systems have developed over the period to support different data models. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers database services to support various data collections on AWS. These database services have many advantages in comparison to the other database management systems when you use them in the AWS cloud. In this video, we will introduce AWS database services which are popular and used by millions of customers around the globe. Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a relational database service designed for unparalleled high performance and availability at global scale. Amazon Aurora is also fully compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It is 3 to 5 times faster than high-end commercial databases. Amazon Aurora is fully managed by Amazon RDS, which automates time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS is another relational database service. It enables you to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud with just a few clicks. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. Amazon Redshift. Amazon Redshift is another relational data warehousing service. It enables you to accelerate your time to insights with fast, easy, and secure cloud data warehousing at a scale. Amazon Redshift uses SQL to analyze structured and semi-structured data across data warehouses, operational databases, and data lakes using hardware and ML designed by AWS to deliver the best price performance at any scale. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a key-value database service. More specifically, it is fast and flexible NoSQL database service. Amazon DynamoDB provides single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. It is a fully managed, multi-region database with built-in security, backup and restore, and in-memory caching for internet-scale applications. Amazon ElastiCache. Amazon ElastiCache is an in-memory database service. The database is scalable and is stored in the memory like a cache. As a result, Amazon ElastiCache provides microsecond latency for any data operations. The service improves the performance of web applications by allowing you to retrieve information from past managed in-memory caches instead of relying entirely on slower disk-based databases. Amazon MemoryDB. Amazon MemoryDB is another in-memory database service. It is Redis compatible and durable with ultra-fast performance. With MemoryDB, all of your data is stored in memory, which enables you to achieve microsecond read and single-digit millisecond write latency and high throughput. Amazon DocumentDB with MongoDB compatibility. Amazon DocumentDB is a document database service. The database service is also MongoDB compatible. Amazon DocumentDB is fully managed and enables you to scale JSON workloads with ease. Amazon DocumentDB is designed from the ground up to give you the performance, scalability, and availability you need when operating mission-critical MongoDB workloads at scale. Amazon Key Spaces for Apache Cassandra. Amazon Key Spaces is a wide-column database service. It is fully managed, Apache Cassandra compatible. Amazon Key Spaces is scalable and highly available. With Amazon Key Spaces, you can run your Cassandra workloads on AWS using the same Cassandra application code and developer tools that you use today. Amazon Neptune. Amazon Neptune is a graph database service. It enables you to build and run graph applications with highly connected datasets. Amazon Neptune is highly available with read replicas, point-in-time recovery, continuous backup to Amazon S3, and replication across availability zones. Amazon TimeStream. Amazon TimeStream is a time series database service. It is fast, scalable, serverless, and fully managed time series database service for IoT and operational applications. With TimeStream, you can easily store and analyze log data for DevOps, sensor data for IoT applications, and industrial telemetry data for equipment management. Amazon Ledger Database Service, QLDB. QLDB is a ledger database service. It enables you to maintain an immutable, cryptographically verifiable log of data changes. Amazon QLDB is a new class of database that is designed to support you as ledger-like applications. In conclusion, AWS offers database services for all kinds of databases that are available and highly popular in the business world. Moreover, all these database services offer a high-performance, secure, and reliable foundation to power generative AI solutions and data-driven applications at any scale.